In this video I am going to make another project number 3. So you can see this project is there, different views is there. So this is the isometric view, so this is top view, and this is front view. So uh, before starting this video, I want to suggest you first to try yourself to design this model. If you are not able to design, then you need to follow these videos. Okay, so first you have to try it. So I'm going to create it. First of all, select a top plane. In top plane, I'm going to create a center rectangle. Okay, okay, so now I'm going to define values. So this length value is how much? 350 mm, and width values is 100 mm. No, not 100, 150. So just define your values. So again I'm saying, first you calculate all values, what is the length, width, and in how many steps you are going to make it. First you have to define. Okay, then you have to follow this video. So just create a circle. You can see one circle is there. Create a circle, take a reference midpoint, and define diameter 100 mm. So what is the position of that circle? Okay, so for that x direction position, there is no any value you can see here. So that value is missing. So, or center to that values, that end line values. So simply I'm going to define some values. Select this boundary and this quadrant point, and define some values. I'm going to apply 25 mm. Okay, just finish it and just extrude it. For extrude, how much you want to extrude, just go for image, and this bottom plate only you are going to extrude right now. So how much value is 25 mm? So you have to extrude it 25. So it is 25. So click on OK. Next step, what you are going to do? So on top face you are going to create a rectangle. For what section? So first of all, create a corner rectangle. Okay, so now you have to define some values. So what is that values? First, okay, so we need these values. So you see, what is the values? 100 plus 25 plus 25 mean 150 mm. Okay, so 150 mm you have to define. You can calculate this all three values. Okay, so you have to define 150, and now you have to extrude it. So just go to extrude and extrude it. How much you have to extrude? So again go for this total value is 75 mm, and you have to reduce, you have to minus 25. So 50 mm you have to extrude. Okay, so define distance values. How much? 50 mm. Just click OK. Now you can see your body is ready. So see, next step, what you are going to do, you are going to cut out some section. Okay, so how much? So first you create middle section, middle rectangle. So cross middle rectangle I'm going to create. Just see, just to create two rectangle, corner rectangle, I think better option, and again horizontally create corner rectangle, and you have to make symmetry, or you have to define boundary dimension. Okay, so whatever values is required, just you have to define all those values. So 100 mm, so this value is also 100 mm. Okay, you can calculate from your sketch, and also you can symmetry, or also you can apply some values. You know, from the boundary line you have to apply how much? 25 mm. So just define 25 mm for both horizontal and vertical rectangle. So define that values how much? 25 mm. So what happened? It is stuck. Just close it and try again. Okay, select a boundary line, boundary edges, and this sketch line, and define how much? 25 mm. Or same thing you have to do for this vertical rectangle. 25 mm you have to apply for defining position. Okay, so both rectangle are closed rectangle. So now you can extrude cut. So go for extrude. So what you have to remove this section. You can see how much you are going to remove. So that values is not given. Okay, so you can take any values, that values that should be that values, any one values we need, but value is not given. Okay, so this value actually we require these values. So no issue, we can define our own values. So directly go for finish the sketch and go for extrude option, and you have to subtract. Okay, just select to change your direction, and whatever value you want to apply, just apply some values. I'm going to apply 25 just reduce it, and now you can hide all your sketches. Okay, and also with selection method you can select all your sketches and you can hide it. So what you are going to do next you are going to apply this fillet corner. Radius will be 50 select your corner edges and apply fillet. What values you have to apply? 50 just click OK. I can see your model is ready. Go for isometric view. One mistake you can see here, just a second, just zoom it. You can see that both face are not aligned, so there is some mistake. So how to resolve it? So go for that extrude sketch. Now you can see, no, in this view you can't see, so click on let's yeah, there is a gap. So how to solve it? So just change your visual style first. Okay, again I'm going for a sketch. Clearly you can see again, there is a problem, so you have to fix this problem. Again double click on this sketch and go change your visual style as a wireframe. In wireframe you can see inside line and outside line, so just both line you have to coincident, or you can apply zero values. So I'm going to apply zero values. Okay, just close it, finish it. Okay, so some related sketch error that is showing, not error, that notification. So now you can see now both faces are parallel and coplanar. So there is no any issue, you can see here. So this is your model.